Let me show you how I make this yummy-licious. Today we are making tagliatelle pasta. I had to Google the spelling twice, but the taste is elite. We need onions and garlic, tomatoes and prawn. I pour some olive oil in my pan like a responsible adult. Then I throw in my onions and garlic because if your neighbor can't smell it, start again. I give it a good stir and let it sizzle like it owes me money. Next, I add my tomato. Of course, I'm looking at you. I want to make sure you are taking every step I took and you are jotting down because I will hold you responsible when you are making yours and the result is not, you know what I mean. Stir them together and cover the pan. Let them cook. Let them think about their life's choice. A few minutes later, open the pan like a reality TV review. Then stir together. Do not ask how many times are we stirring. Patience is the key. And now it's seasoning time, my favorite time. Now I add paprika to it, mixed peppercorn, and of course dry pepper. Listen, I'm a black woman, so you know that dry pepper is mandatory. That pepper must be pepper, but if you don't like pepper, don't add. Add some salt, throw in a seasoning cube and stir like the ancestors are watching you. Stir together properly. Let it mix together. I'm still watching you if you're taking note. Now the moment of luxury. I add my chicken stock because why? Because I believe in flavor. I believe in joy. I believe in taste bond that dance. I stir, I cover the pan and let it cook while I handle business on the other side of the stove. Boiling water for pasta, multitasking queen. Then I chop fresh parsley like I'm auditioning for a cooking show that I definitely won't win. Open the pan, sprinkle in the parsley like fairy tale dust. Stir it together nicely. Please don't be hard on it. It's the aroma for me. And then add my prawns. They go from stream to main character energy. I'm making a 5-star tagliatelle here. So if you don't like prawns or you are allergic to it, don't add. Stir them together nicely and cover and let them cook. After a while, I open the pan again, stir everything nicely. And now it's time for the creamy goddess. Don't be shy to press the cream out. You bought it with your money. So squeeze every living soul out of the cream. If you don't have energy to squeeze the cream out of the carton, call your partner. Why are they Jimmy? Let them show their muscles. Then stir it all together nicely and cover the pan so the flavor can marry without permission. Meanwhile, the water for our pasta is boiling. So add a little salt into the boiling water for the pasta and drop in the tagliatelle pasta. Stir gently so they don't stick together. They are pasta. They are not best friends. Let it cook for a few minutes. I'm a black woman. I don't use timer. I calculate everything with my brain. I do not like it soft. Once it's ready to my taste, I drain it immediately. Pour it into the sauce. No wasting time. I mix everything together like destiny brought them together. I hope you are still taking notes and focusing because I'm still watching you. Your tagliatelle need to be like this. And the thing is that once it's not yet cooked, it's good to pour it immediately inside your sauce so that it will marinate together and cook well, and lower your gas a little bit. That's the magic. After mixing everything together thoroughly, cover the pan and let the pasta and the sauce fall in love. After a few minutes, I open the pan one last time, stir everything together. The aroma alone is breathtaking. It's already giving. Oh my god, I want to shop. And of course, I taste it. Guys, it was yummy. I wanted to eat it like that while it's on the fire. The taste is, oh my god, I'm short of words. Just take a look at this beauty. Take a look at it. Oh, guys, I can't wait to eat this delicacy. Trust me, it was yummy. The pasta wasn't too soft, just perfect. Oh my god. This is delicious. Thanks for hanging out with me in the kitchen. If this made you hungry, laugh, or crave pasta, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss when I drop more delicious recipe like this. See you on my next video. I love you all. Let me enjoy this delicacy with my food chest. And the prawn is, oh my god, the juice inside that prawns. Oh my god, let me give you azonto, azonto, azonto. Bye, thank you.